Here's a new replacement fuel pump for the 2020 Ford F250 with the gasoline engine. It's been purported that some of the fuel pumps are defective from the factory. The check valve allows the fuel to leak down and sometimes causes extended starts or delayed starts when the truck is allowed to sit for a long time and the pressure bleeds away. So this is the replacement fuel pump for that. It looks pretty typical as a fuel pump. It's got the 2-wire resistive sending unit here that connects up here. The other 2 connections here are the heavy gray wires that drive the fuel pump itself. And then this is a pressure transducer here for the evaporative emissions testing. And the only fuel connection is right here, this quick click on connection. And so this is what the fuel pump looks like if you have a new truck or even just a few years old and you're having problems with it. This is the pump here that you might be replacing. And hopefully this pump is better than the one that came from the factory. And it comes with this gasket. You have to order this extra. The pump itself was about $227. And then this is what the gasket looks like. That goes right around the top here to seal it in the tank. The gasket's about $4. So these are the parts you would need if you want to correct that extended start condition on your Ford truck. I believe it's covered under a warranty, but a lot of people just elect to do it themselves.